In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics and Google Adwords to GoHighLevel 2026. By the end, you'll have your Google data flowing into GoHighLevel so you can see which ads drive leads, calls, and pipeline inside one dashboard. Before we begin, make sure you have admin access to the GoHighLevel location you want to connect, plus permission on the Google Ads account and the GA4 property you plan to use. It also helps to be logged into the correct Google account in your browser to avoid switching later. Start inside your GoHighLevel account and open the location where you want reporting and tracking to live. When the location dashboard loads, take a second to confirm you're in the right place, especially if you manage multiple businesses. This is the home base where your analytics and ads data will surface. From here, head to Settings. You'll find it in the left-hand menu, typically marked with a gear icon. Settings is where all your location-level configuration lives, and it's the safest route to keep your integrations organized and consistent across funnels, forms, and calendars. Inside Settings, open the Integrations page. This area aggregates native connections for major platforms, and it includes the Google section we need. If you've ever connected email, phone, or social accounts in GoHighLevel, the layout will feel familiar. Now click Connect on Google. A Google Permissions window will open. Choose the Google account that owns your Google Ads and GA4 property, then review and allow the requested permissions. These are necessary for GoHighLevel to read your ad performance, associate conversions, and display analytics insights in your reports. After granting access, you'll be prompted to pick the specific GA4 property and the Google Ads account you want tied to this location. If you work under a manager account, select the actual child ads account running your campaigns. For analytics, pick the GA4 property that's tracking your website or funnels connected to this location. When you finish, you should see a connected status back in GoHighLevel. If you have multiple locations, repeat the same connection per location so data stays clean and separated. Give reporting a little time to populate. Some metrics sync on a short delay. For the cleanest attribution, make sure your ad URLs use UTMs consistently and confirm your site or funnels are already tagged with GA4 or Google Tag Manager so sessions and events register correctly. If lists look empty or you hit an error, double-check your Google permissions, ensure third-party cookies aren't being blocked, and try again in an incognito window. That's it. Your Google Analytics and Google Ads are now connected to GoHighLevel.